Today, we will learn about the phrase add somebody something. This means to give or provide someone with something. Somebody means somebody and something means something. For example, add me some sugar. This means give me some sugar by adding it. The structure is simple. Add somebody something. You cannot put words between the verb and objects. So we say add me some milk, not add some milk me. You can also say add something to somebody, but the first way is more common. This phrase is useful in daily life, like cooking or helping someone. For example, add her extra time to finish. Or add the guests new chairs. Be careful not to mix the order of words. Practice with sentences like add me some salt. Remember, this phrase means to include or give something to a person. It is easy to use once you know the pattern. Try making your own sentences with add somebody something. This will help you speak and write better English. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.